Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me Tessie. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to do a citrus peel oil. So on the bowl there I have a dry orange and a dry tangerine peel, and I washed them and blend them. Then I washed a lemon and peeled the lemon and add it to them. So what I have there is orange, lemon and tangerine peel. So I have extra virgin of olive oil as a carrier to this, and you can use any oil of your choice to do this. I love extra virgin of olive oil on my skin so much, so this is why I always use olive oil on my DIY, because it's perfect for my skin. So I'm going to be showing you two different ways to make this oil. This is the first way. Add the oil to your frying pan and add the citrus peel on it on a low heat. Stir them and allow them to cook, but never leave them. Always stir them continuously until 15 minutes. So the second way to make this is to put the lemon citrus peel into your jar, and go ahead and add oil, any carrier oil you are using, and make sure that the oil covers the citrus peel. Place them over a boiled water and allow them to stay there for 15 minutes on a boiled water. And I'm going to leave the heat on the minimum, like on the minimum heat for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out. So while that one is there, I'm going to go ahead to start cooking the one I'm cooking. So these two methods work perfectly for is good. None of them is bad. It's very good. This is the instant one, and the other one is the one you can leave for at least 1 week or 2 weeks before you can take the citrus peel out of the oil. So I'm going to go ahead now to continue frying this one for 15 minutes until the oil starts changing color. So lemon and orange tangerine peel oil is very good for our skin. It's anti-aging oil. It's good for our skin and our hair. It brightens your skin, moisturize your skin, and it also promotes hair growth. So I do apply this every night on my face before going to bed. Whenever I wash my face before bedtime, I carry them overnight. It's very good to fight that eye bag. It's very, very good. When you wake up, your face will feel so relaxed and fresh. So here, as you can see, the oil have started changing color now. So I'm going to turn off the heat to that one and allow it to cool. Here I'm removing this one from the hot water, and I'm going to allow them to stay on the jar for minimum 1 week, but I think I'm going to let them stay for 2 weeks or until the other oil is finished before I can take this one out. So that is all for that one. Just allow them to stay minimum 1 week. And for this one, it's cooled down now, so I'm going to filter them. And that is all you need. Just filter the oil, and there you have your citrus oil. It's amazing for skin, believe me. It's very light. It's also for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you can use this oil. Believe me, it's very, very good for skin. This is I'm trying to include natural ingredients on my skin these days, so that is what I'm doing. This is why I'm making all the oil I make on my channel. I use all on my skin and my hair. So give it a try. You will never regret trying this oil. So I went ahead to filter them 3 times, and I'm going to transfer them into the bottle. Here I'm applying to my skin for you to see. So yeah, that is all. I hope you learned something from this video. The other one is going to be for 2 weeks, and this one I'm going to start using them immediately. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you share this video, like and comment, and thank you all. Make sure you subscribe. God bless you all. Bye.